yes, people, how's everyone doing? We're alright. It's going to keep it short and sweet today. I don't know if everyone even gives a fuck. I don't actually know what content I'm supposed to be making. I just want to try and make consistent content. I sit and stare at the charts all day, yeah? Because I work from home. I have 4 monitors, so I have my charts on one of the screens always. I'm always just looking at the charts, right? I like looking at the charts. It's fun! Let's have a look at the Nasdaq for today. See what happened. Obviously, I'm only demo trading the next few weeks until I decide I'm ready to get into a live account again. Yeah, we had interesting price action today. So let's have a quick little look. I like to keep an eye on the pre-market because I like to use it as key levels sometimes. So this is all pre-market, right? What I liked the look of, obviously this here is pre-market highs. I like to keep an eye on that. And then we've got pre-market lows. But they weren't really used as key. Well, they sort of were, I guess. As you can see, we tried to break the pre-market highs. We're at resistance, right? At the end of the day, could be a fuck all to do with the pre-market highs, but as you can see, we have resistance here. It tried to break out here. Look what it's done there. Right at what time was this? At open, at the stock market open in the Nasdaq, US stock market. Look, this has just breached the highs of this resistance here. All this pre-market, yesterday's price action. So I look at that as a sweep for orders. It swept a load of orders that people had resting, stop losses, buy orders, etc., etc. And it's completely taken that liquidity and reversed. We like to see it. So something that I had my eye on was this resistance here. I liked. Okay, this was quite clean, quite nice. It'd been resisting that level in the pre-market for a few hours. As you can see, we broke that level, right? Down here. We came back up. And as you can see here, we created this lovely... It tried to break that resistance here, but it closed back down into the range. So, I, on my demo account, shorted here, this one. Shorted. And I actually got stopped out because it fucking used me as liquidity, the cunts. See here, perfect candle, short there. Stop loss was a little bit too tight. Just got stopped out. And then it did another perfect reversal candle. And I got back in here. So I lost about $380 here because I got stopped out. Jumped back in. Made about 70 points. So about $700. So I made up for the loss and made some profit. I got out about here. About here. But then look at the rest. Boom. That's a fucking big move, right? It's a big move. It'd be nice to be brave enough to try and hold on to positions. Maybe one day we'll do that. So that was the Nasdaq. Pretty nice price action. Some big movements. I did actually win my trade. I don't know if... Let me show you. As you can see here, transaction history from today. No, that was yesterday. Ignore Wall Street. That's from yesterday. So we lost $383 on the first trade, which was annoying. We didn't have to lose that because I got the direction right again. Just my risk parameters were shit. And then we made up for that with the second trade, $718. So, winning day. Even though it's on a demo account, it's good to stay sharp until I start trading live again. Another nice trade that I saw in the Dow Jones was this liquidity sweep here. It was very nice. We have resistance here. Obviously, you've got to be quite brave to take a trade when it's been falling all day. That would have been nice. You see how you can see why that's a liquidity sweep, right? At one point it was a full red candle, so it was extremely bearish. Everyone was shorting the shit out of it. Completely reversed, very strong, back into the range, and a nice 80-point move you could have got on that. But yeah, that's all I had really. As you can see here, we were very much down, up, down, up. There was no direction. This here also was quite a nice move here. I'm not sure what else I need to say about that. Did I explain clear enough why that's good? And the first trade, the trade I was talking about, that the fact that this happened twice, right? There's actually a name for this. I think they call it tweezers or something. The fact that you have this candle repeated twice strengthens that trade so much more, right? The fact that this happened and then right after that exactly the same thing happened again shows that the sellers are stepping in heavy because it's happened twice in the space of 10 minutes. So that should tell you you need to be short. It's such a blatant and obvious, very, very clean short signal, in my opinion. And look at the move you could have got. You could have made 350 points if you was a madman. Alright guys, that's it. Staying sharp, keeping fresh. Nothing really to talk about until I start trading properly again. It's not really exciting talking about demo trading, is it? Anyways, I'm going to go. See you later.